Hello! To change icons style on the Realme 14 Pro Plus, first of all you will have to go into the settings and from here go into wallpapers and style. And as you scroll down a little bit, here you will find icons settings. And we can find here some pre-installed already on the phone actually styles available. And here we can also set up some changes, some settings. We can adjust the size of the icons. We can toggle the application's name, and we can also adjust the size for the app's name, I mean. And also we can make ourselves the custom style with different shapes and some other stuff right here. And also you can actually change the icon style by going to the application called Theme Store right here. And as we are in the theme store, we can go into Me category and My Resources. And if you actually have any themes downloaded, you can, for example, select any theme and simply unselect the lock screen and home screen wallpaper, just leave the icons selected, and as you press apply, you will, like this, also change the icons style. And from here in the settings, you can also change the settings of this icons style. From this particular theme, you can also change the size of them, you can toggle the application's name, and basically that's all of these options for these icons. But yeah, that's how to change the icon style. And after you're actually done applying changes, you have to press this apply button. And that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.